Hey everyone, this is Ida and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a plan with me video on my everyday carry, which is this planner, my Muji B6 planner, weekly and notes layout. So I already did a quick layout of how my planner will be on pencil, so this time I'm going to decorate it. So was mint and green. So, yep. I just used my KeenaPrints stickers. This one, to indicate dates, special events coming this week. So it's gonna be my friend's wedding on Sunday, and her send off, quote unquote, on the 17th. And for this, on the note side, this part contains my trackers. I'm just going through each of their use. So this part here is my to-do list. So throughout the week, I put my tasks that have no specific dates here, or some reminders that I need. And this part, this is my spending tracker. So this year I'm planning to be mindful of my finances. So I'm listing how much I spend every day. So I'm gonna log it here and keep track of where I spend most and where I need to cut off on my spending. So on this one, this is my habit tracker. These items, age 1 to age 10, are habits that I put on the back part of my planner. So these are just everyday tasks that I'm doing. So yeah, so these are my habits tracker. And on this part is my water and sleep tracker. So hashtag healthy living. So I'm tracking my sleep and my water intake. And this box contains the my verse for the week. Our church in Victory Pioneer has this prompts that they want us to remember, or just memory verses, in case we need something to remind us that whenever we feel down. So this part is for plugging all the important things that I need to do. So these are the priority tasks that I need to address within the week. That my layout. So it's payday on the 15th. And that's it for this week's layout, and thank you guys for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.